Welcome to TechClipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go ahead and go to your search bar, type Notepad, then just open up Notepad. Then in here, just paste the following code. You'll find this code in the description of this video below. Here, you'll find your password. Just change this with your password. Just put your desired password here. I'm gonna put ABC123. And then I'm gonna click on File. Then I'm gonna click on Save As. Then I'm gonna choose the directory where I want a private folder. And then just save this file as folder lock.bat. And just click on Save. Then I'm gonna close this. Then I'm gonna go to the folder. Now I have this bat file here. I'm just gonna run this. And I have a private folder here. Then I'm gonna put all my private files in this private folder. As you can see right here. But I can still access the folder, no problem. Now what I need to do is just open the .bat folder again. Then in here, I'm gonna select Y. Are you sure you want to lock this folder? Yes, I'm sure. Then there you go, the folder has been locked. And if it's locked, it will be hidden. Now if you want to access the folder again, just click on the folder lock.bat again. Then you need to put in your password. My password was ABC123. Now when I hit enter, the folder should come back again. There you go. And that is how to password protect a folder in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.